Sri Dashmesh Public School, Standard 1, Subject Mathematics. Topic: Introduction and Writing of 10. Let us learn tens. In previous lessons, we have learned 1 and 1 make 2, 2 and 1 make 3, 3 and 1 make 4, 4 and 1 make 5, 5 and 1 make 6, 6 and 1 make 7, 7 and 1 make 8, 8 and 1 make 9. These all are single digit number. 1 to 9 are called single digit number. Now let us see how we get 10. Children, count these apples. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 1. So 9 plus 1 will give you 10. And 10 is a 2-digit number. Children, open your page number 38. See the lesson, Introduction and Writing of 10. 9 and 1 make 10. Now children, count the crayons. How many crayons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 1. So now total how many crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in total now we are having how many crayons? We are having 10 crayons. Let's see the second picture. Now how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 1. Plus 1 will give us how many flowers? 10. Right? We are having here how many flowers? 10 flowers. Now let us count the matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 1. So total how many matchsticks now we are having? 9 plus 1 will make 10. 10 matchsticks. We are having here 10 matchsticks. See now children what it is written here. 1 to 9. Each number has a unique sign. 0 has an oval ring. That is fine. We want no more signs to memorize. To write all numbers is an easy exercise. How can we write then the next number? 10. 10. 10 is how it's written. So now children, you are going to write 10 this way. So you can see 1 and 0. You will write how? 1 and 0. 1 and 0 makes 10. Okay. So 10 means what? 2-digit number. So now from page number 38 we have started which numbers? 2-digit numbers. So write this full line children. 2 lines complete your line of the 10. Now let us see how to make tens. See now children, count the flowers. How many flowers are there which are loose? 10 flowers. And altogether when they will come to a one place and make a one bunch, that will become 1 tens. So let us see few more examples in the textbook. Let us learn tens. 10 units gathered together. Let us make a bunch of them. Tie them into a bundle and keep on the left side. Note that a 10 is a set of 10 single tons together. When they were single, they were called units. The house of 10 is on the left and is now occupied. 0 fills the unit's house which was emptied. Now children, count how many objects are there. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total we are having how many objects? 10. Now these 10 objects which are loose and separate, they are called units. They are called units. And now when we are going to tie them into a bundle, they will become tens. So now how many bundle is prepared? Only one. So we will write here 1 tens. And 1 tens is always kept on the left hand side. And 0 unit is on the right hand side. So see properly children. Tens will come on the left hand side and 0 will come on the right hand side. This is their place. Okay, tens is on the which side? Yeah, left side, and 0 is on the unit is on the right side. Now let us see few more examples and understand the tens. Now children, count how many flowers are there. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now these are units. These are units. Now we will make this units. What we are going to make 10 units? Tens. So when I will bring all the 10 flowers all together in one place and tie them, and when I will make a one bunch of flowers, then it will become 1 tens. And how we are going to write them? 1 tens, 0 unit. 1 tens, 0 units. Okay. See the next now. Here some beads are given there. How many beads are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many beads are there? 10. This 10 beads I am going to put in one thread and make a beautiful necklace. See. Yes. So now in beads, in this necklace, how many beads are there? How many units are there? 10 units, because this is a 10 unit and this is 110. When the objects are loose and not together, they are called units, and when the objects are together, we say it is 1 tens. Okay, only one object has been prepared, only one necklace has been prepared, so it is 1 tens. And how we are going to write it now? See here, 1 tens, 0 units. 1 10, 0 unit. Now we will see properly the place, how the tens is placed and where the unit is placed. There one bundle on the left side is a 10, and the 10 means a bundle of 10 units or singles. Nothing is left in the unit house, so we write 0 in it. A 10 has 1 10 and 0 unit, and so the number 10 is written as 10. So like this we write the 10, 1 in the tens place, 0 in unit place. So children, you very well understood how to write tens, okay, and how to make tens. Okay, 10 units, it will make 1 tens. Children, see here properly. 1 to 9 all numbers always come in units place. Okay, and next place is tens. In tens the numbers start from 1 0 10. How we will read this? 110, 0 unit. Children, now let us learn how to make group of 10 and how to find out remaining object. Now see these flowers children, count them. How many flowers are there? Yes, 15 flowers are there. Count it properly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now you have to make a group of 10 among this flower. So now group of 10 is formed. Now how many flowers are remaining? Count it. Yes, 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So now 5 are remaining flowers, means balance. Remaining objects are called balance. Children, always keep in your mind, a group of 10 objects is called a 10, and remaining objects are called units. Children, solve this exercise in your maths notebook. I hope children you have very well understood the concept of 10 and tens. Thank you.